Hello. To make clothes in Nomad Sculpt, I switch to the app. Okay. I delete this. I'm adding a character. Okay. You need sagen wir mal selection mask. Then you can make I start from this point. Zack. And then we can change the mask tool. Symmetry is on. Okay. You see the wireframe. You can adjust the resolution. I'm checking out the result of this. Okay, we got the selection mask and we go to the settings of the selection mask. And here you can change the shell thickness. You see it's minus, it's negative, the shell, and then there's 0, and then you can go test it. 0.24. And in the extraction, you can make fill or shell. Shell is now we have a pullover. Yeah, okay. And it's a little bit rough, but let's try it with this one. We hide everything. This is the pullover, and we can remesh it. Okay, that's not enough. Remesh. Yeah, okay. And now we can make adjustments to the pullover. Front view, we can make this, let the selection mask, no, rectangle, zack. And now we can trim with the lasso tool. For example, we can trim this out. And we can clear the mask, front view, and we can cut off the arms. We have to go back a few steps. Trim tool, fill holes, and then you can change the hole smoothing and okay, lasso tool. And okay, now the hole is smoothed. We can clear the mask. We can trim off the arms a little bit. It's all about the resolution. Okay. The outline on, and we can clear the mask here. We can switch to this one. We can make the gizmo on. Now we can scale it a little bit, bring it down. We can make it in the solo view, front view, and we can make another mask. Oh, there's something with the settings. There we have to change it for dot, and now we can brush a little bit bigger, for example, so, and we can change to the gizmo and oh, back, invert the mask, and now we can make here adjustments, and so and now we can clear the mask and we can smooth it. It's a it's the shell is relatively thick, I think, but it's okay. And this is we can trim it a little bit. Not the line. Okay. And we can change the color. Okay. Good. And how looks the guy now? With a pullover. Okay. For the trousers, same way. We could go to the front view, selection mask, and rectangle symmetry we can switch off. We can make it a little bit longer like this. Okay, and in the selection mask we can change just the shell thickness. Let's try it. Okay, and in this view we can trim. Oh, rectangle. We can trim this. We can clear the mask here and adjust the color of the trousers. Force paint. Okay, and the same process, we can mask it, for example, here a little bit, and when we can invert the mask, oops, and then we can with gizmo, oops, we can adjust some. The better the mask, the better the results. the mask is not very good. Okay, and now we have a man with clothes. We can clear the mask. Yes. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.